What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's your boy Rodney here with another episode of Entry Thursday. So today we're going to talk a little bit about GBP USD and Euro USD, okay? So let's jump right into it. So this trade here I did take this week and I actually caught some pips. So I'm going to break it down real quick and show you guys how I was able to catch this move, okay? So at one point in time, I seen that, GBP USD was making a support level. So at that point in time, I looked at the support level and said, okay, this is where I could possibly take a buy opportunity, okay? So that was based on the H4 time frame. Then I went to the lower time frame, which is the hour, okay? I then noticed, okay, guys, that this level of resistance here happened to look like it was broken. But I didn't confirm that until I seen the pullback. Now, after the pullback here, this is when I decided to take my entry opportunity. So I went down to the lower time frames, okay? And at that point in time, when I went to the lower time frames, I used my risk to reward ratio tool. So we're gonna do a long position here. Actually put my stop loss right here, okay, right under here, and I was risking about 15 pips. So I actually jumped in prematurely out of confidence here, and I held this trade all the way up, caught a quick 60 pips here on this move, just because I knew that it was at zone of support and you buy at support, and I wanted to take advantage of the opportunity that presented itself, okay? So in this case, what happened, the market broke past this resistance level, pulled back. That was your entry opportunity here. Using your risk to reward ratio tool, you can see that, you could have put your stop loss like somewhere down here, and then your entry opportunity would be somewhere within this candle here, and then you would just ride it up along, to see, where this could possibly end. Now, why did I pull my profits here? Because I noticed that once this came here, this was a level of resistance that it came, and there's going to be some kind of pullback, which you guys seen that happen, and I took my profits as soon as I seen that it hit this resistance level here, okay? So let's jump on over to the the Euro USD here, and I'm going to show you guys again another entry opportunity that I took advantage of today in the markets, okay? So we noticed that this came here to a level of support, as you guys can see. I then took out my risk to reward ratio tool here, and I used a long position, as you guys can see here. I put the stop loss just below the lowest level here, and as you guys can see, we caught a good 100 pips off this move here just by noticing that it touched the level of support once before, as you guys can see here, and it touched it again. So that was a good analysis to help you, understand why you could have taken this move, where to take the move, okay? Because it's in a support zone, all right? And again, measuring out your risk, knowing how much you're gonna risk. On my trades, I risk anywhere between 30 to 50 pips, depending on the trade, depending on the pair. Let's actually go down to the hour time frame and see, what happened. So once it hit this, support level here, we noticed that there was an engulfing pattern right here. So this is one, okay, Confluence. Two, you're already on a support zone here. So, with two Confluences, you could have taken it. I like to use 3 or 4, but this one, just straight out of confidence, I would have took it right after I seen the bullish engulfing pattern. Because here's why, guys. I noticed that this here is still in an uptrend. The uptrend has not been broken that Euro USD is on. Why? Because this is the H4 support. So it came back and tested the H4 support, and the H4 support is very strong. So very strong H4 support. You know that this level highly likely cannot be broken. Sometimes it could happen, but keeping up and understanding how the markets react to certain movements, you'll notice that it respected this level here, and you could have potentially taken, the trade based on that position. So I'll see you guys on Tuesday with Entry Tuesdays, and thanks for tuning in for the 5 minutes or less.